Hi, I am Earl, and welcome to Nagaluto Flavors Catering, where we bring you a taste of passion, tradition, and innovation. At Nagaluto Flavors, we blend the rich traditions of Baguio with innovative flavors to create unforgettable experiences. Whether it's for a small gathering or a grand celebration, we are here to make every moment special.
Let me introduce you to Nagaluto Flavors Catering, founded in 2022 by a group of passionate culinary students. Our business was born out of a shared love for food and exceptional hospitality. We are proudly based in the vibrant city of Baguio, where we craft menus inspired by the region's rich cultural heritage while embracing diverse global flavors. Our goal is to deliver not just meals, but memorable dining experiences for every occasion. Whether it's a cozy gathering or a grand celebration, we strive to make each event truly special. Our mission is to deliver exceptional catering experiences that celebrate Baguio's rich culture and hospitality while embracing global flavors. We aim to craft memorable dining moments through quality, creativity, and a deep passion for food. Our vision is to be a premier catering service in Baguio City, known for blending local heritage with innovative culinary excellence and creating unforgettable events that showcase the warmth and spirit of our community. Now, let's proceed to our core team. Since we are still a small but growing catering service, our operations are compact yet efficient. I will be handling the management and event organization, ensuring that each event is flawlessly planned and executed. Meanwhile, Devin James serves as our executive chef, bringing his culinary expertise to craft exceptional dishes that delight our clients. For larger events, we also outsource skilled professionals to support us in delivering top-notch catering services. This lean but passionate team allows us to focus on quality and personalization for every event we handle. Our catering service is proud to collaborate with some of the most prestigious venues in Baguio City. We offer our services at the iconic Baguio Country Club, renowned for its elegant atmosphere and impeccable facilities, making it a perfect choice for sophisticated events. Additionally, we cater at Camp John Hay, a venue celebrated for its scenic views and serene environment, providing a unique and memorable backdrop for any occasion. By partnering with these outstanding venues, we aim to elevate the overall dining and event experience for our clients. Our menu showcases a diverse range of dishes, carefully crafted to cater to different tastes and preferences. For our local signature dishes, we highlight Baguio's rich culinary heritage with specialties like pinikpikan, a traditional chicken dish, and suman sa lihiya, a classic sticky rice delicacy. For those seeking plant-based options, our vegan delights include the flavorful vegan adobo and Baguio fresh vegetable stir-fry, a celebration of the city's abundant fresh produce. Lastly, we bring global flavors to the table with our international signature dishes, featuring Mediterranean grilled chicken skewers and the comforting classic Italian lasagna. With such a variety of offerings, we ensure there's something special for everyone to enjoy. We believe that the best way to showcase our success is through the heartfelt feedback from our clients. You'll see a collection of testimonials from past events we've catered. These stories highlight the memorable experiences we've created, the quality of our dishes, and the exceptional service we strive to deliver. From celebrating local flavors to customizing international menus, our clients' smiles and kind words remind us why we love what we do. Each photo and message represents trust, satisfaction, and moments of joy we're proud to be a part of. We are excited to share that Nagaluto Flavors Catering now operates in 2 locations to better serve our clients. Our main branch is located at 199 Session Road, Baguio City, the culinary hub where we draw inspiration from the region's rich cultural heritage and fresh local ingredients. Additionally, we've expanded to a second location in Siontog Road, Baguio City, allowing us to bring our exceptional catering services to even more clients in the surrounding areas. At Nagaluto Flavors Catering, we believe every special holiday deserves to be celebrated in style. That's why we offer exciting promotions during these occasions to make your celebrations even more delightful. And speaking of special holidays, we're thrilled to announce our upcoming Christmas Day event on December 25th. To spread the holiday cheer, we'll be offering a 50% discount on our catering services for this day. It's the perfect opportunity to gather with your loved ones, enjoy delicious food, and let us handle the rest. Don't miss out. Book your slot early and celebrate Christmas with the flavors of passion, tradition, and innovation. Thank you for learning more about Nagaluto Flavors Catering. With passion, tradition, and innovation, we're here to make every occasion special. Let us bring exceptional flavors and unforgettable experiences to your next event. We look forward to serving you.